What is good, Cardano fam? ADA gang. We have lots of exciting updates to unpack today, so hit that subscribe, hit that like. MEXC ranks Cardano ADA as the fourth most traded asset during their zero trading fee campaign. Great to see ADA continue to be on this list right after Solana, SOL, and Chainlink. Over 200,000 posts on X mention Cardano, ADA, or SNEK this week, according to Radar. And I think the positive momentum, guys, is returning. Kraken says SNEK listing soon today. Well, it seems like we've heard this 100 times. Hopefully we see it sooner rather than later. Ledger integrates direct Cardano ADA to fiat swap in the Ledger Live crypto wallet app. So you can swap directly to fiat without any middlemen, and they added it for many other cryptocurrencies as well. DefiLlama, we saw yesterday they announced the integration of JPEG Store, and today they also announced integrating Orcfax, decentralized Oracle feeds for Cardano. So great to see this. I like to see big names announcing Cardano integrations. And speaking of big names, I think this is the highlight today, guys. Grayscale files to register its digital large cap fund as an ETP/ETF, featuring Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Solana. So this is super exciting, and I think this is playing a big role in the positive price volatility. So they say today we filed a registration statement, Form S3, to register shares of Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund under the Securities Act of 1933. This is another important step towards uplisting GDLC as an ETP, holding top 5 crypto assets, BTC, ETH, XRP, SOL, and ADA. So I'm very excited to see many of these ETFs and ETPs get approved, but also to see staking ETPs with Cardano in the US. That would be fantastic because we see many of those in Europe. Charles Hoskinson says Cardano has the most feature-rich UTXO programming system. Once you have Bitcoin, all taproot-enabled systems will basically be interoperable. Eventually, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and all the other UTXO guys, that's 4 times larger than Ethereum and Solana combined. He's not wrong. It's massive amounts of capital in Bitcoin. Charles says Bitcoin now has enough programmability to graft on a layer to do smart contracts, pay transaction fees in BTC, and have fast finality. Cardano ADA is working with Fairgate on BitVMX to connect other systems as a smart contract layer to Bitcoin. So BitVMX, I think, is a fantastic collaboration, and IOG is working hard to bring this to fruition. So very exciting. We will see a demo, Charles did say, at Bitcoin Las Vegas in May. So looking forward to that. Charles says what makes Cardano unique is Babel fees. It allows you to pay transaction fees in Bitcoin instead of ADA. From a Bitcoin user's perspective, and this is key, it's Bitcoin all the way through, end to end. There's no second token. Just click a button and enable Bitcoin mode. So this is great because people don't want extra tokens. And if it can be done in a native way, if the technology can be hidden behind obscurity, I think that's elegant, I think that's beautiful, and Bitcoin users can benefit while it also benefits ADA under the hood. I really like that. No second token. People don't want additional tokens. Charles says crypto went from a single protocol, right, with Satoshi, with Bitcoin, to a global movement with 550 million people, trillions of dollars of value, and governments forming reserves getting involved. If we have that same rate of growth, crypto will be the dominant asset in the world. So let's take a look what else is going on. BlackRock officially registers as a crypto asset firm in the United Kingdom. And also another great post, Circle USDC stablecoin issuer files for IPO, right? Given the pro-crypto administration, given the push for compliance, but also, it looks like left and right projects are coming out of the bushes, out of the shade, and doing approvals and kind of realizing what they wanted to do which they couldn't do in the past. Even with projects like OpenSea, with their token coming out sometime this year, probably maybe early 2026. And I think that RLUSD and USD1, hopefully we can see those on Cardano. And maybe in the not so distant future, we can revisit a collaboration with USDC, because I don't think we're going to see USDC on Cardano anytime soon. You know, Cardano Foundation CEO made that clear. There just isn't kind of that eye-to-eye, collaboration. They don't really see a strategic fit, if you will. But that could change in the near future. Nice to see ADA come back to 6.8 from 6.3. So I think a lot of this is also part of the Grayscale announcement. Hopping over to TradingView, Bitcoin dominance is very high, guys. 62.5%. ADA is looking nice. I think it came up to 6.9. So again, these are still good buying opportunities, I think. There's still good DCA opportunities. I think things are still relatively low. And I know some people think we're in a bear market, but I would argue that Bitcoin is in that bull range. Russell 2000 index is low. Monad is not live. Base coin is not live. Abstract is not live. What else we got? OpenSea is not live. Linea by consensus is not live. There's so many things around the corner that are still not out yet. Bitcoin searches are low. BTCD is extremely high at 62.5%. So I'm not sure why people argue for like super low prices or thinking that we're in a bear market. So I think we need to see stocks rally. I think we need to see more easing in the form of interest rates coming down. And especially we need to see certainty around the tariffs. I think the uncertainty is what is causing a lot of the negative price volatility more than the actual tariffs themselves. A lot of uncertainty is a part of that. But nice to see some positivity in the market. ADA basically 6.8, XRP 2.14. So I think the highlight today, guys, is definitely Grayscale. Nice to see this. And I think this is going to encourage more and more companies to get involved and to start listing more ETFs, whether it be spot ETFs, ETPs, and hopefully with that positivity towards staking, I think we're going to slowly see more staking ETPs in the US to leverage Cardano's technology. So guys, let me know what you guys think. What are you guys most excited for? I think that I'm really looking forward to the ETFs, and I'm really looking forward to those two bills being passed. Stablecoin bill and digital asset structure. So guys, smash that subscribe, smash that like. I'll see you in the next Angry Crypto Show.